welcome to mediatorpodcast.com, a podcast and video series about mediation, negotiation, and collaboration. My name is Melissa Gragg, and I'm a valuation expert and divorce financial mediator in St. Louis, Missouri. I specialize in family law and partner disputes, but today we're speaking with Erin Levine. She's the CEO and founder of Hello Divorce, and if you haven't heard about it, you'll want to know. It's an online alternative to traditional divorce. So after 16 years as a divorce attorney, Erin understood how broken, toxic, wildly inefficient, and unreasonably expensive the family law system is. So she set out to revolutionize how consumers interact with the law and provide a kinder, easier, and cheaper pathway to divorce. Welcome, Erin. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me, Melissa.
What is your advice to people that are kind of just sitting here and like, it seems too overwhelming in general, and I'm just not going to do anything? What is
Yeah,
your advice, your first steps, right? Because it seems like an easy question, but it doesn't feel
yeah,
that easy. Yeah.
it is. It's a tricky one. So I would say two things. So I would first of all start with what her goals are, to really sit down. What does life look like in 5, 10 years? Not next year, because as we know, it gets harder before it gets easier. But what does life look like then? Because we can't possibly start working on the divorce until we get a sense for what we want life to look like. Is she living in a similar place? Is it a small town? Is she, is she have a new career? Like, what does it look like? So we can't start managing expectations or life or anything until we start figuring out what that looks like. The second thing is that I would start with what is stressing her out most. So if it's money, if it's kids, then I would, whatever it might be, whatever that piece is, there's one thing almost always that is keeping her up at night more than anything else. So I don't know what that is, but one of it's either with a lawyer or financial advisor. Somebody can give her some guidance on that one piece, and that is where you start,
Hmm.
um, so that you can at least kind of take down some of the fear and stress, and then you can start to put a plan in place.
Oh, that's good advice.